Hi, I'm Jenny Ford with Hunter Quinn Homes. Wanted to touch base with you real quick today and to just have the conversation as to why buying new construction is a little bit different than purchasing a resale home. Okay, so there's about 7 different things that I wrote down as to what are some of the differences. So number 1, you will want your own representation. So when you walk in the door, I will definitely help you write up your contract, help you pick out your property, walk you through the process. I am an expert at our homes, at our product, and I can get you through the process of picking that all out and getting you through closing. However, I don't represent you. So if you do want your own representation, talk to a buyer's agent and find out what that actually entails, because I represent the builder from the beginning to the end. Buyer contracts are different. When it comes to writing up that offer, our builder contracts, we have our own. So it's not just a normal contract for South Carolina or for North Carolina. We have our own builder contracts that were written for our builder. So they are completely different than the normal real estate contracts that you would write out if you were writing out a resale offer. So that is another difference there. Timelines in real estate in general are like giving birth. You can have a due date, but that baby's going to show up when that baby shows up, whether that's early, whether that's late. Well, very much so in real estate, but even more so when it comes to building, because sometimes we have delays, whether it's weather delays, whether it's product delays. It happens, unfortunately. So even though you plan on coming in on Friday the 15th for closing, and you have the moving trucks coming, you have cable coming, you have everything set up, all of a sudden there's a last minute delay, whether it's a lender delay, whether it's a building delay, unfortunately, that you won't be able to close until Monday, meaning you won't get your keys and be able to move in. That means that everything that you have set up for Friday the 15th, unfortunately, isn't going to happen. So know that our moving dates can be flexible and that they can change. When you're coming in to see me and you come in and you're all excited about putting items into your home, because gosh, when you walk around my model, it is gorgeous, and that we make them that way so you can see what you can add into your home. You know, I have this gorgeous gourmet kitchen. You might not need all those upgrades. And so when you sit down to look at what kind of upgrades you want to put into your home, just know that they add up quickly. So I always suggest, when it comes down to it, is start looking at what you really need for putting into your home, but also what you're going to want for resale. Kitchens, bathrooms, and anything structural are always the big things. Things that you're not going to be able to add in later are important to look at doing when you're building, because those are going to be things that are going to be very expensive to add. It's going to cost you a lot of money to add a bathroom later on down the road versus if you buy a house now with that extra bathroom in it. So it's going to be better off for you to buy that new construction home with an extra bathroom now versus trying to add it later. So think about those things when it comes to structural or anything when it comes to upgrading in your bath, especially your owner's bathroom or your kitchen. Those things are great for resale. And you're going to enjoy them while you're living there as well. So another thing for number 5 is going to be your inspections. Make sure you have them. Make sure you get them done, especially if you're living out of state. Hire a reputable inspector. Talk to your agent and make sure that you get those inspections done. There's a couple different times that you can have inspections done. You can have your pre-drywall. Before that drywall goes up, you can have it inspected, to have that inspector come over and look at those boards and make sure that they're good boards on your house. Make sure those trusses up in the attics are good, solid trusses. Make sure those trusses meet in the center and everything is good and solid in your home before the drywall goes up and you no longer can see in between those walls. And then also, before you close on the home, have another inspection. Make sure that everything is in working order, so that way you know you're protected and you can have the builder fix anything that you need to have them fixed before you close on the property. Number 6, lenders do offer you incentives, and there's a reason for that. We want you to use our lender. The reason for that is our lenders work with us for a smoother transaction. We're able to help that lender helps us keep you on track to know what's happening, and that we're able to communicate and know that we're able to keep the transaction together throughout the process. So it's not that we're trying to make you use our lender, but we do offer those incentives so that way we can all be on the same page throughout the whole process and the whole transaction. It just helps control the situation and just makes it easier for all of us. And number 7, the warranties. The warranties are here to help protect you. So make sure you use them. Make sure you find out and know what they are so that you know what is protected and what isn't, or what is protected by us and what is protected by those manufacturer warranties. So you are covered for anything and everything that can possibly go wrong with your home. But also make sure that you do ask what is transferable, so that if you do sell that home within that first 10 years of that manufacturer for that builder warranty, that you know that you can transfer that as well. If you have any questions about any of our Hunter Quinn homes anywhere between Georgetown, South Carolina and Wilmington, North Carolina, give this girl a shout. I'd love to help you out and show you what we have. We have some wonderful, beautiful, quality built homes, and I would love to get you into one of them, at least just to see what we have. See if it can work for your lifestyle. Give me a call today.